Hi, this is the Chassis Measurement web page where you can do the measurement and you have the database. So how you use this software? You start with create a new project. Here you will select the year of the car, the make, model, and you select the chassis you want. So once you select the chassis, you can open the diagram to see it, but what we need to do is to fill this data. The project title, anything you can fill. These are already filled. You fill in the chassis, for example, and the customer details, phone number, and technician. And you press the save. Once you press the save in this page, you can use the diagram that you just selected, or you upload another chassis diagram so that you will work on it. So once you click use the selected diagram, it will give you this page where we have the chassis over here and the dimension point to point, and also the length, and at the bottom these are the height measurement. So the height measurement where it will give you the details whether the chassis move upward or downward, and here is the width and this side is the length. Now the first thing you need to do is select the point of measurement. So you will zoom. Example, we want to measure this point from here to here. Now we know here it's told you this is the line A. What is the target? The target is 1066, and we will go away and do measurement with the tram gauge, and for example we find it 1068. Now so what you need to enter is sorry, you need to put them here 1066 1068. Now here the second line is the width, the height, and the height measurement we need to know the height from both sides, from the driver side or the passenger side. So the height measurement here at the bottom is 515. So we need to go and do measurement 515, and we find it, for example, 519. Same thing with the driver side. It is same both sides, 515. For example, we find it actually when we go measurement from the bottom, it is 5, for example, 23. Then we do the save. Once we saved it, it's already created the line that we measure this side. So just to explain this diagram, this is the datum line for height measurement. This is center line, and here the length. We can do cross measurement. For example, we have here one cross measurement. We can do from here to here, doing the same thing. You go for the measurement 764. We find it 76. We find it, for example, 768. We have here target, for example, 300. We find it 301. We go here 300 again, and we find it 310. We do save measurement. We get the measurement here at the bottom, and we can adjust the tolerance. So sometimes the tolerance is 3 or 5. Once we're done, we click here, generate the report. Once we click the generate report, it will give you the layout of the report. You want maybe the final report to zoom into this area for the customer, or another part require this one. So here we can generate AI report about this measurement, and take maybe few. This is just what have been given from AI. Then you do the print, and you will get this report of the chassis information comment to the customer.